Imagine a city center where the air is silent, the streets are clear of massive, idling delivery trucks, and every package arrives via a vehicle no larger than a garden shed. Welcome to 2026. The last-mile logistical nightmare that plagued the early 2020s has been solved, not by bigger trucks, but by smaller, smarter electric solutions. As urban zones worldwide implement strict zero-emission mandates and 15-minute city designs, the demand for micro-logistics has exploded. We're moving away from the one-size-fits-all transit model and toward specialized surgical delivery. Today, we are looking at the 15 mini electric cargo vehicles that are officially dominating the streets in 2026. From modular German engineering to ultra-compact Japanese city shuttlers, these machines are proving that in the world of modern commerce, thinking small is the only way to win big. We start with the vehicle that arguably kickstarted the tiny tan trend, the Citroen AMI Cargo Kit. By 2026, the AMI has evolved from a quirky experimental commuter into a staple of European urban delivery. The Cargo Kit isn't just a van, it's a masterclass in modularity. Citroën replaced the passenger seat with a specialized polypropylene storage box, offering 400 liters of volume and a payload of 140 kilograms. What makes it a 2026 standout is its accessibility. In many regions, it's classified as a quadricycle, meaning younger drivers can operate it without a full commercial license. It's narrow enough to navigate medieval European alleys where a standard sprinter would get wedged. And with its 5.5 kilowatt-hour battery, it fully charges in just 3 hours from a standard wall socket. It's the ultimate no-frills efficiency tool for local florists and couriers. While it shares a platform with the AMI, the Opel Rocks electric cargo brings a distinct German aesthetic and refined ergonomics to the segment. In 2026, Opel has carved out a niche for the Rocks by focusing on the visor design language and enhanced interior durability. It's functionally similar, boasting the same 75-kilometer range, but the cargo variant features a clever adjustable floor. This allows operators to switch between a flat loading surface for boxes or a deeper well for taller items. The turning circle is a mere 7.2 meters, making it more maneuverable than almost any other four-wheeled vehicle on the market. For businesses that need a corporate, professional look while maintaining a tiny footprint, the Opel Rocks is the go-to urban scout. Toyota's entry into the micro-mobility space, the C+pod, has seen massive adoption in 2026, particularly in Asian and North American coastal hubs. Unlike the more rugged European quadricycles, the C+pod feels like a real car in miniature. It features a plastic body to keep weight down and an incredibly efficient powertrain that offers a range of approximately 150 kilometers, nearly double that of its European rivals. The cargo version removes the passenger amenities to provide a surprisingly deep trunk space. It's equipped with Toyota's Safety Sense Suite, including pre-collision systems, which is rare for vehicles of this size. If your delivery route involves slightly higher speeds or busier intersections, the C+pod's stability and safety tech make it the premium choice for the micro-cargo sector. Moving away from the paved city streets, we encounter the Pikman XR. If the previous vehicles were surgical scalpels, the Pikman is a Swiss Army knife. This is a mini 4WD electric pickup truck designed for the urban market, those areas where the city meets the countryside. By 2026, the XR model has become a favorite for large-scale greenhouse operations, resorts, and last-mile deliveries in hilly terrain. It features a true four-wheel drive system and a ruggedized suspension that can handle more than just a few potholes. With a payload capacity approaching 600 kilograms, it punches way above its weight class. The bed is fully functional with fold-down sides, essentially acting as a miniature flatbed. For the 2026 model year, the XR also features integrated power outlets, allowing contractors to run power tools directly off the vehicle's battery. The Goupil G4 is the elder statesman of this list, but in 2026, it remains the benchmark for versatility. Produced in France, the G4 is a professional-grade utility vehicle that looks like a scaled-down heavy truck. Its secret sauce is the sheer variety of configurations. You can get it as a box van, a waste collector, a pressure washer, or even a refrigerated unit. It can carry up to 1,200 kilograms, which is staggering for its size. In 2026, Goupil has integrated smart fleet management software as standard, allowing logistics managers to track battery health and location in real time across hundreds of units. It's the silent workhorse behind municipal maintenance and large campus logistics, proving that many doesn't have to mean light duty. If you want to see the future of the American electric truck, look no further than the Telo Truck. It's one of the most talked about vehicles of 2026 because it defies the laws of physics. The Telo is the length of a Mini Cooper, but has the bed capacity of a Toyota Tacoma. How? By ditching the traditional hood and utilizing a cab-forward design made possible by an ultra-slim battery pack. The Telo isn't just a slow-speed neighborhood vehicle. It's a high-performance beast with 500 horsepower and a 0 to 60 time that rivals sports cars. For the independent contractor or the urban delivery driver who needs to jump on the highway between stops, the Telo offers 350 miles of range and a rugged, futuristic aesthetic that turns heads. It's the ultimate no-compromise mini-truck. The Addax MT represents Belgian engineering at its most functional. Designed specifically for the professional leasing market, the Addax is built on a chassis that's meant to last 15 years, unheard of in the world of light EVs. In 2026, the MT model has gained traction because of its superior cabin comfort. Most mini EVs feel cramped, but Addax prioritized the driver's office space, knowing that delivery drivers spend 8 to 10 hours inside. It features a high-torque motor that makes it exceptionally good at starting on steep inclines while fully loaded. With a 1,000-kilogram payload and a range of up to 120 kilometers, it sits in that Goldilocks zone of being large enough for serious work, but small enough to park on a sidewalk during a delivery. The Tropos Able is all about the easy swap system. In 2026, downtime is the enemy of profit. The Able platform allows a business to switch the rear cargo box for a flatbed or a landscaping topper in less than a minute. This modularity means a single vehicle can serve as a delivery van in the morning and a maintenance truck in the afternoon. The Able also features a remarkably small footprint. It can literally fit through a standard double door. This makes it the premier choice for indoor logistics, such as moving goods within massive fulfillment centers or airports. Its 2026 updates include enhanced telematics that predict maintenance needs before a part actually fails, keeping the wheels turning 24/7. Originally designed for rugged use in developing nations, the EVUM aCar has found a massive second life in the 2026 European and North American markets as the ultimate off-road micro-utility vehicle. It features a robust all-wheel drive system with 2 motors, one for each axle. This makes it the mountain goat of the group. Whether it's navigating muddy construction sites or snowy alpine resorts, the aCar is unstoppable. The design is intentionally simple and boxy, which makes repairs easy and maximizes every square inch of cargo space. It's a utilitarian's dream. No fancy touchscreens, just raw capability and enough battery life to get through a full day of heavy hauling in the toughest conditions. The Sevic V500E is the tech lover's choice for 2026. This European-built L7E class vehicle stands out because of its patented cargo swap system. Unlike other vehicles where the body is fixed, the Sevic can swap out entire cargo containers in seconds using a specialized forklift. This allows for a hub-and-spoke model of delivery, where preloaded boxes are dropped onto the chassis and the driver is back on the road instantly. The 2026 model boasts a range of up to 300 kilometers with its largest battery configuration, making it one of the longest-range mini vehicles in its class. It's smart, sleek, and designed for high-frequency logistics companies that can't afford to let a vehicle sit idle while being loaded. The Xbus is perhaps the most visually iconic vehicle on this list. It looks like a futuristic, shrunken version of a 1960s VW bus, but its capabilities are purely 21st century. The Xbus is a Lego set on wheels. You can transform it from a van to a pickup to a camper or even a bus by simply swapping modules. In 2026, the Xbus Cargo variant is a hit because of its integrated solar roof. On a sunny day, the solar panels can add up to 200 kilometers of range per week for free. It also features four-wheel drive and integrated hub motors, which frees up the center of the chassis for even more storage. It's not just a vehicle, it's a modular ecosystem that adapts to the user's daily needs. Canoo has redefined the delivery van with their lifestyle delivery vehicle. By 2026, Canoo's steer-by-wire technology has become the industry standard for maximizing interior space. Because there's no mechanical steering column, the driver sits further forward, opening up 121 cubic feet of cargo volume in a footprint smaller than a Tesla Model 3. The LDV is designed for the gig economy driver, featuring a panoramic front window for incredible visibility and an interior that can be customized with various shelving units. Its 80 kilowatt-hour battery pack supports DC fast charging, hitting 80% in just 20 minutes. It's the most passenger car-like experience on this list, offering a smooth, high-tech ride for the modern courier. The MEV Cargo from My Electric Vehicle focuses on the urban micro niche with a design that is incredibly approachable. In 2026, MEV has cornered the market for small-scale local deliveries, like pharmacy supplies and hot food. It's a narrow, tall vehicle that prioritizes vertical storage. While it's not meant for heavy construction, its agility in traffic is unmatched. It's one of the few vehicles on this list that can comfortably share a bike lane in certain jurisdictions, allowing it to bypass gridlock entirely. The 2026 MEV Cargo features a revamped lithium-ion system that is 20% lighter than previous versions, improving both acceleration and energy efficiency. Hailing from Italy, Alke produces what many consider the Ferrari of electric utility vehicles. Not in speed, but in build quality and performance. The Alke XT range in 2026 is designed for the most demanding industrial environments. These vehicles are often ATEX certified, meaning they can operate in hazardous areas where explosive gases might be present, something a standard EV can't do. With a towing capacity of up to 4,500 kilograms, the Alke is used to pull heavy trailers in airports and large industrial plants. It's a premium high-torque machine that proves electric power is superior to diesel for low-speed, high-stress pulling tasks. Finally, we have the RE458. This German-engineered mini truck is the definition of right-sized. It was designed from the ground up to be the smallest possible vehicle that can still carry a standard Euro pallet. In 2026, the 458 is the backbone of many green city initiatives. It's only 1.3 meters wide, meaning it can navigate paths and pedestrian zones with ease. The RE458 offers various body styles, including a refrigerated box for cold chain food delivery. It's simple, reliable, and incredibly cost-effective, with one of the lowest total costs of ownership in the entire EV market. The landscape of 2026 is clear. The days of the massive half-empty delivery truck clogging up our neighborhoods are numbered. Whether it's the modular brilliance of the Xbus, the rugged capability of the EVUM aCar, or the hyper-efficiency of the Citroen AMI, these 15 vehicles are the new architects of our urban environment. They represent a shift toward a more sustainable, quieter, and more efficient world of commerce. Which of these mini-movers would you want to see in your neighborhood? Would you trust the Telo Truck for your weekend hauls? Or do you think the ultra-compact RE458 is the real winner? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the tech of 2026, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more insights into the future of mobility. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.